Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today we are doing a review on some 3D filament. This 3D filament was bought off Amazon. It is made by a company called 3DHOJOR. 3DHOJOR. This color is brass. Comes with a cardboard spool. Here is a print I did. You can see here, this is a helmet. Or not a helmet, it's actually there's like a statue for your bookshelf. But you can see here the lines are nice. It prints very, very well. And here is the opening. When you get your item from Amazon, it is vacuum seal packed. Has the humidity pack inside, so it's very dry when you get it. And the reason why I mentioned being dry is you can see there's no stringing. I didn't change it. I didn't hit it with a torch or a heat gun. Now your environment may be different. When I get it, it goes right into my 3D printing room, which is pretty warm and dry. Let's see what else. Let's go and let's talk about this PLA. This is a silk PLA. The nozzle temp is 190 to 230 Celsius. Bed temp 45 to 60 Celsius. And your print speed is 40 to 100 millimeters. Or mm-s. Comes on a cardboard spool, as you can see here. Now I have a Bambu A1 with an AMS. This does not require an adapter to go on your AMS. It squeezes right on nice and tight, so it's perfect. I've used a couple rolls of this. I've used a couple of colors like black and gray, and I have no entanglement issues at all. So that's another plus here. Doesn't tangle. The last price I paid on Amazon was $16.99 for a kilogram or 2.2 pounds. Basically a full roll. And as you can see, it's just prints nice, and the color's pretty spot on. It's pretty beautiful. If you're wondering where I got this STL print, I did get this off of stlflix.com. I'll leave it a link in the description below. I do pay the $30 a month for the commercial license to resell these, but I'm mainly showing you here. Now I know on this channel, guys, a lot of my videos, or all of them, are detail stuff, and I'm still going to do detail videos. But because there's so many questions online for what filaments to use and which filaments are good or bad or whatever, I'm going to start doing reviews on filament just so people who want to know can see and, obviously make their own judgment, but be comfortable buying, because there's some filaments that aren't very good. And there's some that you just don't know, and maybe you don't have 20 bucks to waste, or doing a 24-hour print and then it fails at the very end for whatever reason. So those details again. Now clearly the details is just the quality of the Bambu printer. But that's going to do it for this review. This is a silk PLA. See if the camera will squeeze into there. And it is on a 2.2 pound roll. $16.99 on Amazon. Links in the description below. It is an affiliate link. I'll make a couple pennies if you click on it. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next one. I have a couple foam cannons coming and various like atoms, product, and some chemical guide stuff that we're going to revisit.